Hey guys, you're watching DroidCrunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about FoxLMS. FoxLMS is a learning management system for WordPress users, and it is very efficient and gives you tons of customization options to create courses, manage courses, lessons, quizzes, and a lot of things. You can certify the users, give certifications and all. And creating courses and making lessons, quizzes is very easy on FoxLMS. There are plenty of LMS available in the market for WordPress, and FoxLMS is definitely one of them, and I am using it and I have used it on a website. I will show you how you set up it and how you use it, and my experience overall is very good with FoxLMS. And here you can see that it is very easy to use and set up. You can create and sell online courses with ease, handle everything from one dashboard. You can customize your pricing options for the courses. You can track the student progress and sales, sell your courses to the learners worldwide. You can get updates from the course performance, and you can develop training for your team, add quizzes, videos to the programs. For example, you are a company with a lot of members in the team. You want to educate them about the work process. You can create courses for that and develop training inside your workspace. You can support ongoing learning process, instant feedback for quizzes and tasks, and a lot of other stuff. You can allow the educators to create their own courses, and they can market them, set a price, and sell them to the students on your website. It is very easy to use platform for the educators, and monetization is very easy on this platform. So talking about the features, the certificate builder, secure online payment forms, user tracking so that you can monitor and analyze the user activity and get insights into the learner progress and performance. This automated email communication system so that whenever a user does anything or something is happening or happened, and there will instantly an email be sent to the user based on the activity happened, and this can also be called as transactional email. There is no code skill required to create such kind of a LMS platform using WordPress. It is an e-learning marketplace where you can launch your own e-learning marketplace where educators can create and sell their courses. And there is also integration with the QuizMaker plugin they have, and using QuizMaker with this FoxLMS, you can create unlimited quizzes and unlimited questions, get 30+ of quiz styles options which are included in the quiz plugin. You can display different results based on the score and have a well-designed weight point system for the tests. And talking about the testimonials, there are very wonderful reviews by the users who have used QuizMaker plugin. And yeah, so let's quickly get in and see how it actually works and how you can set up your own courses, lessons, and quizzes inside your WordPress dashboard. So I have opened up my WordPress website, and here you can see FoxLMS has already been installed, and from here you can see there's option for courses, lessons, students, instructors, transactions, analytics, reviews, and some general settings. So before we start or dive into creating a new course, let's quickly set up a few settings which are very useful. So in general, you can set course list table. If you hold on this question mark or click probably, you will get more information about what it actually does. So here it tells that you can set the number of words display for course titles, and if the title exceeds the limit, it will be shortened with these periods. Okay, so if you want, these are especially for the words, okay, number of words. So for example, if the course title is above 5 words, then there will be these dots, okay, these periods. And so for example, you have a course name like master class for students, beginners, in that case, so you will definitely when you have a loop, when you have a grid, for example this one I show you, there would definitely be a grid like this. So here you can see this one, and this one looks good, but on these two the length of words is not less, so it is coming in two different lines, and it is giving a very bad UI. Not that bad, but it is not uniform. If you see closely, then these two are different from these four. So that's why to get rid of this problem, you can actually set a number of words to show in the title, otherwise it will show ellipses for the rest. You have some administrator settings to auto enroll into courses the users, or upload your own image. Here you can, I have uploaded already. And then you have license management from here, and then you have the email system settings where you can set your from name. I will add Lokesh Kapoor in this case. From email address, you can say anything, DroidCrunch.xyz in this case, because this is a domain name and it is actually inside WP. So I'm using inside WP for a long time. It is a very wonderful service that allows you to create quick sandboxes, quick websites. You can manage them, you can easily migrate whenever you want to, and you can easily test plugins and themes and whatever you want with WordPress. Is the best tool that you can get. So from email subject, you can set that too. You can set the course enrolled option, email to students whenever the course is enrolled, and email to instructor when the student enrolled in the course, and the new instructor sign up, send the email, and send the email when the new student signs up. Okay, so when you are ready with all these settings, whichever you want, just save it. And then you have some message variables that you can use on the pages to show the site title, student name, earn date, and site URL, and student email. Okay, so you can use these variables to print the actual values of these. Then you have some payment options to enable PayPal payment. You can click on this add button over here and manage all the settings regarding the regarding the payment system. Over here you can set the PayPal email, the client ID, secret key. You can go to the PayPal developer options and create a new app, and you will get the ID and secret which you can use over here. You can set the currency and hit the save button. In this advanced section, you can find the course include data. You can hide it, you can click it to see that it, if you tick it, this option, it will hide data about included course material on course front page. Okay, when you tick this option, it will hide the data about included course material on the course front page. Okay, and if we want to hide the reviews data, you can check this option as well. So it will hide the review data and it will hide the course material data on the front end page. Okay, if you want to do it, you can do it. And then over here I will click on this courses option. So creating course is very easy. Just click on this courses and click on add a new course and the creation page will be opened up. It is using the Gutenberg, so it is very easy to use. On the builder, click the course name. In my case, it is Canva Masterclass, or I can say Canva for beginners, whatever it is. Then you can add a new section. So this is where you have option to add lessons and select existing lessons and add quizzes and all of these things. So basically I can just customize this lesson name. I can say introduction and hit save button. Now I can add a lesson. Canva interface, hit the save button. So when you click on save, it will take a little bit of time because it will create a new post in the lessons post inside the FoxLMS. Okay, and you can just collapse it. So this is basically sections, the categorization of the lessons. Okay, if you add a new lesson, you can add a new section. For example, designing social media posts, okay, and hit save. So So these are two sections over here. We have the introduction and the designing social media posts, and inside the introduction section we have a lesson named Canva interface. We can add a few more lessons, so whenever you create a new lesson, it will create a new post. Let me show you. So when you create a new lesson, you can go to lessons and you can see, so this one was the previous one at 11:28. I can trash it simply. So this one is which we created right now, and we can add a few more like Canva shortcuts and hit the save button over here. So now you can see the interface, the shortcuts. Now if I reload this page, you can see we have Canva shortcuts over here. So here's how it works. It will automatically add the lessons. When you add a new lesson over here, you can edit that lesson from here inside the lessons, or you can simply click on this button over here. So it will automatically redirect to the edit page of the lesson, and you can add whatever you want. It supports probably you can add a video. Just simply click on video and embed a YouTube video. Okay, so this is a very easy way to create lessons through the videos. So I will go to the YouTube and I will search for Lokesh Kapoor, and I have already created a Canva course. So I will go to some of my videos. So shortcuts is this one. I will copy this one over here, and inside the lesson I can paste this video. It is about interface, but good to go. Okay, I will remove the query string about the time, and yeah, so this is the video that we have. I will save it, and I can preview the lesson as well, because it is not published, maybe that's why it is not showing. But yeah, so this is how you can add sections, add lessons, and add lessons content easily, very easily. And when you are done with the builder, click on the details option where you can set the access mode for the course, whether free or paid. When you click on paid, make sure that you have already set up the payment system like I showed you about the PayPal, and then you can set the price for the course, and then you can add some description. TinyMC is already there. You can click on like for example, this course is for Canva beginners. Okay, you can set a course duration which will be shown like 20 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, then you can also go to settings and set an enrollment limit. If you want to limit the number of enrollments for your course, then you can set a number over here. Otherwise you can set it to 0 for unlimited, or disabling this feature about limitation of enrollment. Then you have this difficulty level option where you can set a difficulty, like this is for the intermediate difficulty or maybe expert level course. So I will go with the intermediate for the moment. If you have a certificate already created, you can choose it. Otherwise I have not created yet, that's why it's not showing any certificate. Or you can, if you want to, you can create a certificate first, and or you can also later on update a certificate. If you want to show a certificate when the user completes the course, you can provide or allow them, give them a certificate. Then click on the analytics option. Here all the analytics about the course that you can see. So let's publish the course. Now we can see the course. This is our course page. Okay, here you can see the course in whatever it includes. It is a time that we set up. We had inputted 20 hours and 30 minutes, number of enrollments about the students, and the number of sections that we have, and number of lessons that we have in total included in all the sections, and the intermediate level, the level that we described about the course. And there's no review so far, so that's why there are 0 reviews. and in the Canva interface lesson we had a video like this. Okay, so this looks very good. We already set up a logo, so that's why it's showing us a logo very nice and clean. We can go to the next lessons. Okay, you can also move between the lessons from here as well. We didn't have any lesson inside this section, that's why it is empty, and whenever you move between your course it will show a progress. And you can also add quizzes. Let me show you how you can add a quiz. So let's click on the builder, and you can also select an existing lesson instead of creating a new lesson. From here you can also click on this one and choose a lesson that you have already created. Okay, and you can also add a quiz from here. We have a quiz, mathematics quiz, which was a default quiz that when I installed the quiz builder plugin it was already there. Now we have set it. Now let's update this course and reload this course page. Probably will get it, and here is the quiz. So it is very easy to create quizzes. I've not showed you how to create it, so let me quickly show you how you can create the quizzes as well. So this is a quiz maker plugin. Here are the quizzes. If you want to know how to use it, you can also click on this one, but let me show you how this quiz was created. So this mathematics quiz already created. There is a title of the quiz that you can set, the description. You can categorize the quizzes when you have plenty of quizzes in your dashboard. Okay, and these are the questions. You can create as many questions as you want, but for this quizzes or for this specific quiz we have used these 4 questions. If you want to insert more questions, you can choose the questions that you want to insert, and make sure you first create a question. Okay, if you want to insert a question in the quiz, then create a new question over here. Okay, and it will support a lot of types of question. You can set it for a drop down, checkbox, true or false, fill in the blanks, matching. Okay, there are plenty of types of questions that you can actually create. Like for a radio option, you can say what is the capital of India, maybe. Okay, you can set options like Chennai, Mumbai or Delhi. Okay, you can set a correct option. This is correct. Okay, so this way you can also add images. You can easily create questions for your quizzes, and when you are done with your question, it will show up right here, and you can add it like this. For example, I created this one, it will show like this. And if you want to add this question to your quiz, then click on this over here, or then click on insert questions, and all the questions that you selected will automatically be shown over here, and your quiz will have all these questions. So here you can manage the styles of the quiz, how you want to show it to the users. This is very responsive and mobile ready, so you don't have to worry about plenty of things. You can set some settings about the status, enable the time as well for your quiz. For example, 100 seconds will be given to the user who is completing the quiz. There are plenty of options. This video is not about quiz maker plugin, about the FoxLMS, so I will skip these steps because they are very lengthy and will take or consume a lot of time for you. And if you want to learn about how to use quiz maker plugin, you can simply click on this how to use button, or you can watch a video on YouTube. Okay, so this is a video already here about quiz maker plugin. So we have already set up this mathematics quiz inside our course, so let's start this quiz. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, so Delhi was the correct, you can check it as well. So we are good to go. Okay, our score is 100%, and we have all these answers as well. Okay, so when you complete, you can also restart a quiz. Okay, and you can also move to the next lesson as well, but we don't have a next lesson, so I click on the previous lesson, and here you can see that this is a checkbox, and this is our progress, circle progress, and this is our horizontal progress. So it is updated now as we completed the quiz. So this is how it will progress and show you the completeness of your course. Very easy to set up, very scalable thing, but definitely there are few things they can work on about the interface and all, but yeah, apart from that it is usable and can give you plenty of options, and it is for WordPress. So if you are already using WordPress, there's no going back. You can use it for your course creation or for your website very easily. Let us talk about some pricing plans that they have. So if you want to use it for one website, it is around 139 USD, and it gives you 12 months of support, automatic updates, unlimited course and users, priority support, and upcoming add-ons are not being given to the business users. It is for the annual and it is for the lifetime. So if you want for a lifetime for one website, then you can pay a lump of 417 USD, and it is like 418, I would say, like it is 0.10 of difference only, and you can get for one site. If you have multiple sites, for example you are a freelancer, or if you're an agency managing multiple or numerous websites, then you can definitely go with this plan as well if you want to. And yeah, this is how this pricing is. You can also request a refund in if you are not satisfied with what they have said about their plugin. Definitely you should try if you want to if you want to have a website with course creation system, and if you want to manage or sell courses, definitely you can try FoxLMS, because you can easily refund if you want to, if you're not satisfied. And I have already shown you a lot of things in the video, and you can also make a decision after that as well. And this is scalable and can be very useful for your business, but I will definitely tell you that you should also do some research and compare between multiple plugins, multiple options in the market, and then decide which plugin can be best for you. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got to know something exciting, something useful, and give me a feedback in the comment section if you loved my video, and I will keep making such videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.